Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Since music is my love, this product is so close to my heart and to every music lover all over the world. Thank you Snapdeal for your lovely product. Let's get started. Let's open this. It's a Blue ZB Rocker iFit Bluetooth headphone with TF. The specifications of these products are: it supports for both iOS and Android, and you can connect it to the PC and iMac. And it is specified with microphone, FM inbuilt with memory card support. Let's open this up. And it is available in hot red and black combo. The company provides USB cable and user manual.
Nothing else.
You can adjust like this according to your comfort. The leather is smooth, soft and good in quality. Earpieces are quite movable and well fits to your ears. It's quite flexible. On one side it is plain and on other side it has buttons, power button, plain pause button and forward and backward buttons. And it has two slots, one is memory slot and other is charging slot. USB cable is very short. Let's connect this to my laptop. Now I'm going to pair this to my Android mobile. Let's play the song. You can forward, rewind, pause.
Final verdict. Bass is good. If you are looking for best budget wireless headphone, then go for this without second thought.